Pero let's go, let's check it out. Our championship match played between the Bulwark versus the Nigma Imperials. Good luck po team. Best of 5 atong championship game.
Welcome to Mobile Legends! 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them! All troops deployed!
Eto na mga kapatid! Nagsisimula na on the top lane, Glue Dabi ang ating Glue, and we have Gem naman Teresla on the side of the team. Jade naman dito as Grainy Veer, no, as their core. And we have Haji Xavier with si Pop Rusty, no? Walang iba kundi si Selena naka-on pa. Si tawagan na skill. Oy, delikado ata dito si Chaos Tanker, guys. Slowly moving forward. What a flicker just to get out one, and flicker din yung ating si Twiz. Twiz, delikado ka diya, Twigs. Twigs! Nag-TP-TP, alam niya nandun yung kasama. First blood doon, tuloy. Si Derby Brody's attack. Nadali, wait lang, murag hindi mo nag-ayo. Ano lang, ito lang, i-try part. Oy, Hajid! Natamaan ng arrow. Ayan mga kapatid do. And shout out, ahag 10% na lang. Impass na diya, 6 love. And the bottom lane ng rotation coming from Kiyosaki. Dave hindi natatakot dito sa dalawang kalaban. Wala pa siyang ultimate level 3 pa lang. Pero X-Burner, nagkulang yung damage doon. Pero that was a good try and rotation coming from Chaos Tank. Turtle is up for the first time dito. And eto naman talaga yung magiging mahirap dito mga kapatid. There's an arrow, walang tinamaan doon. Frosty, Dabi zoning dito sa mid lane. And they are trying to secure the Bulwark, the first turtle. And I think they will succeed for this turtle, guys. Yes, sir! Sino kaya magiging champion for the 5th season or season 5 ng inyong torneo sa Salvador, Lanao del Norte? Ay, the combination, guys, mahirap to ha. Alice and Angela combo. Titignan natin kung ano ang magbibigay burst damage per Alice. If there's no, ang delikado, Dev, flicker out. Easy get out. Alice nasa Gedli, wala pa siyang. Sa top lane, andito naman si Dabi. Meron na tong split. Sasakay ba? Hindi, sir. Malapit sa tore. Delikado. Ang gagawin mong sakay. There's an arrow. Tinamaan dito. X-Burner in trouble, guys. Napakita na stand. And we'll follow up. Help. Wow! Ito yung mahirap dito on the side of the team Bulwarks, guys. This Selena, annoying arrow talaga yung stand dito ni Selena, guys, no? One of the annoying skill. Eto, pumasok na naman. Ito na yung Matilda. Airline, sir, nagkulang pa yung damage, sir. And skills, there you go. A flicker, Chaos Tanker. Got that one. Si Gem naman. Alright. Lagman. Asay lag ang ako ang live stream. Di man, okay, nagtanong ako sa live stream. Tumama na naman yung arrow dito, guys. Kawawa naman na dito. Mamamatay ba X-Burner? Nagpapap yung damage dito. Tumitira na lang. Muntikan pang nakadali. There's an arrow. Nag-connect ba? No, sir. Pop Rusty inside the tower. There's another one. Tumama na naman kay Chaos Tanker. Pero not enough damage. Meron bang ultimate dito? Ay! Tumadjak. And eto, si Shen naman ang nakakuha. Yung team Nigma yung nag-take control for the second fight. Mamahugid mo sila ng bataa. Kining bataa good. At dito na naman Shen. There's a slow. Pop Rusty, split coming from Dabi. Sasakay, susungay ni Sungay na good. One na ulaw. Delikado, si Lina. Pop Rusty will go down. Jade also. Hindi, buhay na buhay dito si Guinevere. Look at Shen. Alice in the Wonderland. Suyub-suyub.com. Mamamatay ba si Dabi? Dabi will figure out. Buhay din. Matilda Airlines guys. Wala pa ganong damage. Grabe yung laban dito. Dabi inside the tower yun ha. Buhay pa si Dabi. What a play. Chaos Tank and Dabi's combo. Grabe si Dabi. Glow is doing it, my friend. Kahit unti ng life, nasa Torre pa. Sungay gapong kukul. Kaya ako ni Kul. Anar na. Bata pa kukul. Ayaw Kul. Abi na kong maipit taan ni karon ba? There's an arrow. They will try sana. Pero walang tao doon. Grabe, commended ng both team guys. Magagaling both teams. Look at the gold and everything. The kill, equal na equal po. Sheesh! Jay, pumasok, ultimate right away flicker. Nahuli doon, X-Burner, delikado. And Alice in the Wonderland, ayan sa batang gamay na si Angela. The damage is not enough. There's an arrow. Munti ka na. Akala ka, abot si Kuya Mo. Item check tayo mga kapatid, no? Brody, meron ng hip assist dito. And then, of course, ang atuang si Lena naka-Clack of Destiny. Munti ka rin yung damage burst pero not enough. Sheesh! Alice na to guys, Clack of Destiny, leg plate going for Dominance Ice. This is a third turtle. Split coming from Dabi. Musungay pa. Ayaw na Tori guys. Delikado. Look at the Pop Rusty guys. The zoning and the arrows. Tumama ba? No sir. Walang tinamaan doon. Shen pumasok doon. Two enemy heroes inside. And what a perfect set coming from Teresla. Mamamatay ba dito si Dabi? I think he will go down with a burning Suyug-suno. Oh! Munti ka nang tumama yung arrow coming from Pop Rusty. Pero naagawan sila ng lower at turtle doon. Mupilit na siya pag mulihok ko. I-close ko na siguro na eh. Save lang Dagang kay kung i-open nga apps day part. O ka na part. And of course, wala naman tayo toss coin. O, tina na. Ito nang dumayan kay Murag. Init na kayo niya akong CPU ba? CPU na to. Init na kayo ni ba? Galo na po nato niya ito. Kuan. Okay na ni. Arang-arang na ni karon. Mo-relax na ni siya. Ayun, Matilda Airlines, what a perfect set coming from Shen. Napigilan yung tatlong hero for the pet, anong tawag doon. Yung skills niya, Jem pumasok doon, nahuli doon si Chaos Tanker. And there's an arrow, walang tinamaan sana yung arrow. Perfect sana doon kay Curry. Shen will goes down. And Dabi, a perfect sungay-sungay lang kuya. Jem is in trouble, mamamatay siya. X-Burner got that killed. And there you go, Pop Rusty. Positioning lang kuya. Tumama yung kay dalawang tao doon. Alice, Deb, buhay na buhay. Split coming from Dabi. Misungay na pod. Niadto sa Torre. Delikado pa. Nakapatay pa. Grabe. There's an arrow. Sheesh. There's another skill. Munti ka na. Almost wipe out yung team ng Nigma. Ethereal's gone on that clash. Buti na lang. Hindi nangyari. 2K gold advantage on the side of the team. Bulwarks. Jade, isa get out lang po si Guinevere. Lord is up now for the first time in this game. Mupilit yun ay siya sa live. Eto na, pumasok na naman si Debbie. Split coming from Debbie. Hinahanap si Shen. Shen na ang talagang chempong target dito. Debbie hindi na natakot. There's an arrow. Tumama doon. Sumakay na naman dito si Alice in the Wonderland. Delikado, mamamatay si Shen. What a play coming from X-Burn. The burst damage and Alice will go down. A flicker ultimate coming from Jem. Tinamaan na to. Not enough. Pero look at Deb. Hindi tumigil yung mundo ni Deb. The damage from Deb is napalaki. Pero Guinevere focusing on the Lord. That was a 2 versus 1 exchange. Habol ba dito? And there you go, Debbie. An arrow tatamaan dito. Hajid. Dev. Pumapalag. Ultimate. Go! Last target. Sigma na lang yun. Naigo pa yun. Sheesh! Na lag na. Ayan na. There's an arrow. Hinahanap dito yung kalaban, guys. The Lord is pushing toward the mid lane. There's an arrow pa rin. Grabe yung positioning coming from Pop Rusty and Chaos Tanker against the Gym. Nahuli doon. Gem, susungay ba? Matilda Airlines pumasok dito. What a perfect Gem. Ang ultimate doon sa likod. Pero kukulang pa rin yung damage. Buhay na buhay pa dito yung ating Gem. And there's a ray gun coming from Hajid. Grabe na class. Walang namatay. Sheesh. Kung bended this team, guwapo kayo ng mga players, guys. What a burst damage coming from Deb. Pumasok dito si Shen. There's an arrow. Walang tinamaan doon. Umaatras na dito si Deb. One lagas na po. Uy, too early pumasok dito si Angela, guys, no? Nag-miscommunication na naman tong mga players na to. Too early. Pumasok si Angela. Di nila alam ito. Enhanced Lord na. There you go. Grabe naman si Dabi. Split coming from Dabi. Humahanap ng perfect target. Ultimate coming from Jem. Apat yung tinamaan doon. But the damage is not enough. Alice nasa likod. Kisungaya ni Dabi. And we have our Alice Shin. All alone. Dalawang hero. Dito yung kasama ko. Papalag tayo. Wala pang ultimate. Sayang walang ultimate yung Alice in the Wonderland, guys, no? Ay yung yung Angela. And nandito papasok na si Angela. Try to help it out. Alice, buhay na buhay. Look at the mana. Malaking malaki ba yung mana, sir? Papalag tayo. There's an arrow. Nag-connect. Dabi will goes down. Dev still alive. Burner tatakbo papalayo. And Alice Shen malapit din. Mamamatay. Sheesh. That clash. Grabe, in terms of gold, guys, napakatindi yung laban. First game pa lang ni sa atong championship game. And best of 5. Kisay una makadaog og katulo. Sis, kuyawa ni nga dula. Oy, look at their items guys. It's 14 minutes of the game. Mid-gamer na tayo na ha. Shen, pumasok doon. 4 yung kalaban. Mamamatay right away si Shen. Nako po. Hindi nag-communicate. Naulahin na po ng sulod ni Alice o na-cancel yung pagsulod. I don't know. Eto, nakita doon. Pope Rusty. Hindi pa ginamit yung ultimate. There's an arrow. Oh, naiwasan sir. Grabe maglikay ng mga players sa bulwarks of the arrow coming from Selena, no? Wala na namang tinamaan doon for the arrow, guys. Eto na. Papasok pa dito. The tower still hanging on. Sasabog ata yung tower eh. Perfect timing na yung pasok dito ni Angela together with Shen. Grabing sigop na to. X-Burner will goes down. Chaos Tanker might be in trouble. And look at Dabi all alone. Naiwan doon. Umalag, kumuha pa. Kumitil ng buhay. Down na down doon si Pop Rusty. And in terms of gold, 1k gold advantage, 2k gold advantage na on the side of Team Bulwarks, guys, no? And the towers naman, eto, dalawa na lang natira to defend their base on the side of Nigma Ethereals, guys. Ilabay silpunin mo. Grabe, 17 minutes na for the first game na to, no? Grabe, good ka mga gahing ang mga players. Commended both team. Sheesh! Ayan na. Ayan na. Pop up na yung Lord. Mag-aagawan na naman to sa Lord, guys. Kung kinsa kayo makaangkulan ni Lord. Ayun, pushing back. Grabe naman si Debbie, guys, together with Gaius Tank. Pinapalayo yung mga kalaban dito. Pero look at the Lord. Malapit na rin maubos yung life. Winter. Shen. Buhay na buhay pa rin dito. And look at right now. Mamamatay siya. X-Burner damage talaga. Coming from X-Burn. Is healing it and we have a Jed finishing the Lord. Delikado pa si Deb dito, guys. Papasok to. Debbie, buhay na buhay. Mamamatay man siya. But they got already the Lord. And the bottom lane na push na po. Sheesh! Is this the last defense from the team Nigma Ethereals, or papalag pa sila and they will push this longer gamer? Check the item, X-Burn, guys. Naka-complete item na with Athena, Rose Gold, Crimson, and Golden Staff with Demon Hunter. Ayan po, there you go. The clash is good. The arrow tumama doon kay X-Burner, pero the damage not enough. Jed, and dun lang, the ray gun coming from Hajib. Got the kill for your Pope. Rusty is down. There's no hero down here on the side of the team. Bulwarks, they are keep on pushing the minions top and bottom. Just doing it, and they will try to steal the purple buff since this is the essential buff for our Alice, no? Shin, ano kaya mangyayari sa laban na to? Sheesh, laban lang guys. Grabe ka mga gahi o players commended. Sheesh! Tumama yung arrow guys, no? Dabi. Look at the zoning coming from Jed. Dabi talaga guys, no? He's doing his best. Pushing back away the enemy. Kuyaw kay ginabuhat din rin ni Dabi guys. The glue of the team bulwark. Murag nangangamoy ban tong glue na to mamaya for the second game. Annoying hero kayo and perfect set of this item. Naka Twilight Armor, Curse Helm, together with Oracle and Dominance Ice yung ating glue. Meanwhile, there's only one Hunter Malefic Roar on the side of the team. Nana ba sila eh? Penetration, magical penetration. Nana, Genius 1. Si Lina. 30 seconds. Eto, the zoning here for Dabi is very essential. And Pope naman, paunti-unti lang papasok dito. There's an arrow hindi tumama and the zoning for coming from Chaos Tanker. Mataas pa yung life dito ng Lord ha. Pwede pa silang humabol. And they will try to contest this fight. But look at Dabi's doing. Their arrow hindi tumama. Ewan ko papalag ba and they will try to take control. Ayun, kuwang-kuwa talaga ng team Bulwarks the Lord, which is a very strong Lord na to. It's around 21 minutes na po tayo on our game. Nag-reply ako kadali iguan guys. Nag-reply ako kadali og chat. Oh, ana ra. Ayan na, lumabas na. Dabi papasok doon with the ultimate split, but the tower's helping for the damage. Meron bang immortality? And look at our X-Burn focusing on the tower. Grabe si X-Burn. One na nagpabitin-bitin ba? Focus lang sa torre. Sheesh!
Subscribe.